Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be making banana biscuits. And to make these, all you need is oatmeal, bananas and raisins if you prefer. Really simple to make and really tasty. Let's go into the kitchen and I'll show you how I do it. Okay, so what we need is oatmeal, a bowl and a spoon. Pour in some oatmeal. And now what I'll do is I'll use the bottom of the spoon to crush the oatmeal. Now this takes a little bit of time, so you just got to be patient with it. Okay, so I've been doing this now for about 15 minutes. And as you can see, it's pretty grinded. I think that's it. It's good to go. Okay, and now I'll get a banana. And I'll simply cut it in. Get some raisins. Yeah. Nice. And here comes the good part. You want to mix the banana in with the oatmeal. And I'll just cut in more banana. Let's add in a little more oatmeal to this. Okay, I've just added in more of the oatmeal. And now I'm just going to put in a little more banana. Okay, and this is what I'm left with now. I've got my baking tray ready, and I've got my cooker set at around 180. And from here, I will just use a spoon, take some out, put it into the shape that I want it. And put it on the baking tray. Like that. And that's it. From there I got 4 little biscuits. Into the cooker she goes. I'll keep them in there for about 15 minutes and see how they turn out. There's my little biscuits just come out of the oven. Oh, they smell beautiful. Easy enough. I'll let them cool now for 10-15 minutes. So now, after giving these guys a few minutes to cool down, they're good to eat. I hope you enjoyed my video. Don't forget to give me a like and a subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Take care, guys.